Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to learn something interesting in coding, VBA. We have to find out how we can insert January to December, all 12 sheets. Let's see how do we start the code. Let's go to Developer, Visual Basics, and there we have to go to Module, and let's find out the code, how we write sub month sheets. So guys, this is actually the VBA macro name. How do we insert 12 sheets, or every sheet should be renamed January to December? How do we do that? So very simple, guys. You have to write for I equal to 1 to 12 or next I. So let's understand how we can simplify this code. There are a lot of ways to write this, but since we are learning fundamentals of VBA, we have to write in such a way that anybody can learn this. Anybody can understand this. For I equal to 1 to 12, you know that 1 year contains 12 months. How do we do that? So first you have to sheets dot add. Sheets dot add. Now you have count. Guys, if you just mention sheets dot add, this is the syntax. If you run it 12 times, let's see what happens. I'm pressing F8, sheet is added, and you see that sheets are adding. So how many sheets will be added? 12 sheets. Okay, that's not a problem. We have done that part, but still the challenge is that how we rename it. So very simple. You have to understand this part. Or if I tell you, if I write sheets dot name, so there is nothing, sheet dot name, sheets dot, and nothing is coming, correct? How do we do that? Sheets dot rename is not there, correct? Then how do we do that? Let's see the property. Okay, sheets dot count is there, delete is there, name is not there, right? Okay, so how do we add that? Sheets dot add. But the challenge is that how do we get the name? Okay, right? So if I type sheets dot name or sheets, which sheet, guys? Which sheet? The sheet we are adding, this sheet, right? Active sheet. Or active sheet, if we write active sheet dot name equal to ABC, and let's see how this works, guys. Just explore. See that it is working. Yes, it's working. Active sheet dot name. But challenge is that we want to rename January, February, March, April, and so on. What if we create a date? We create a date. How do we create a date? In Excel, if I type 1 to 12, okay, these are the numbers. But how do we create January, February? So if you drag January, you can easily get Jan, December, but I don't need that. I want to create from the number. So very simple. You have to create a date. Any year you can take. You can take this current year. You can take this month. And you can take the same day. No problem. So see that this is actually the scenario. And if you create a month, or maybe you can just, use text function, and there you can apply. This is the logic we are going to use it. Correct? Understand? So here how we can use that ABC or something like that. Month name. So month name is the function in Excel. In Excel, in VBA, we have the function called month name. But for that, we have to create a date. So you can write here month name, MNTH, month name. Can you see? Month name. Month has long. So if you mention here 1, that month will come. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. January is there. Now see that. ActiveSheet.name. So it has added the sheet. So it is not working because month name you put I. It should be you have put one. It should be I, right? Let me run it again. But still the challenge is that it will find January sheet already. So it will throw an error. See that it will throw an error. So what does that mean? So what you can do, guys, very simple, you can simply mention on error resume next. Okay. So if you write on error resume next, and let's see what happens now. If you type it, it's okay. See that January is already there, right? Let me first delete the unnecessary sheet so that it will not confuse you. Let me delete from this. Press shift and this. You can delete all together all the sheets. Let's see how does this work now. We got now 4 sheets in the code. Press F8. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. All right. September, October, November, and December. So this is the code. Can we do something else? Like, why are we writing this? Why are we writing this? Sheets.add after sheets. Sheets.count dot name equal to month name this. That's all. We cannot write that way. If you want to write this way, this is also super interesting for you guys. You can do that way also. Let me erase this. Now the challenge, it is writing this way, January, February in descending order. So let me fix this order. So you want to delete all the sheets. So select one sheet, press shift, go to the dead end and right click and delete all the month sheets. Now guys, this is the code. Press F8. Now see that in the same order, it will create that sheets. January, then February, then March, April, and so on. This is the syntax. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Guys, please share with your friends if you want to explore something, want to learn something from me. I can get you more accurate, best code. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.